Day 2, here we are. So, overnight, it looks like a couple of nails didn't go all the way in, so the wall, as you can see, is starting to pull out. I'll show you a close-up of that in a second. But now we just got to fix it, put it back together, and then we can get started putting the roof on. Those two things should be together and not apart. All right, after throwing about 20 more nails into there, we are looking good. Back at it.
One truss with paneling done. Just gonna go right up there.
Okay, now we're trying to figure out how to use this last piece of siding that we have. We only got one left to fit on the two ends of the building where the roof is gonna go, the two trusses.
Josh.
Yes.
Tell me about your very important role in this.
Yeah, so today all that I've done is stand on things. I've been a clamp. That's all that I've been doing, a human clamp.
Really just using your body weight.
Yeah.
Yeah, so much muscle.
It's really playing to my strengths.
Yeah, cool. Thank you. Trusses are going up. Let's go see how they're doing.
Tried to get it. Just let it slide.
Just trying to get it turned.
There you go. Let it slide like that.
There we go.
Second truss coming through. What's going on?
We are putting the remainder of the trusses on right now. Up
Cool.
top here, yeah.
Just making sure Josh doesn't fall over here. The last gable. We just finished cutting 15-inch OSB, and they're going to be H-clipped.
These ones just look like the letter H.
Oh. It looks like an O.
So you're just going to slide it down?
Some H-clip action going on right now.
H-clip action.
Yeah. Close that gap. Josh has been waiting to do this for a really long time now. Oh, got the drip edge or D-edge all nailed in. Now we're about to cut some metal roofing. Time to put on the roof. Finishing up the roof.
Back, by the way. I don't know why.
It's supposed to rain tomorrow, and now we got our waterproof roof. It looks great.
All right, end of day 2. So as you can see, we spent pretty much all day on ladders, getting that roof on. So now this thing is waterproof, watertight.
Next steps are going to be to cut a hole in the front of it and officially make it the Tiki Bar.
Like a jigsaw puzzle.
Yeah,
All right.
except for one that you lose on.
Because we lost a piece.
Right.
Octavius ate it. What a nice office you have.
Yeah, do you want to see the best part of this office?
Yeah.
Just quick.
Look, the nail came out this way.
Terrifying.
The nail is poking up at me.
Once you start, you can't stop, I guess. Oh! Oh! Some gentle gardening going on right now. I started a fire. Spring cleaning.
Get out of here, stop.
Let's put the middle one up.
Do you live there now, Josh? Getting some more galvanized nails here.
Where my nails
Look how pretty they are. I want to get my nails done.
Yeah, I can feel the heat from now. From here, no more fire.